Everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna check the setup for ArcPython using ArcGIS Pro. So it is a beginner tutorial for ArcPython using ArcGIS Pro. So now let's get started. So to check the setup for ArcGIS Python in ArcGIS Pro, first let us open ArcGIS Pro. So go to the home section and you can be able to visualize here. We have our ArcGIS folder. So in that, we're gonna select specifically our ArcGIS Pro. So now you can able to visualize here, there is a software called ArcGIS Pro. So now let me click this. So now you can able to visualize our ArcGIS Pro has been initializing. So now you can able to visualize our ArcGIS software has been is opened. So to check the version for ArcGIS Pro, so go to the option called setting. So that is available here. So you can able to visualize. Let me click this. So here you can able to view in the product information. So current version of ArcGIS Pro is 2.8.0. So you can check the version from in this part of the section. So now I will close this ArcGIS Pro software just by clicking this crosshair symbol here. Let me close this. So now I have closed the program ArcGIS software. So the other important piece of the software we are using in ArcPython tutorials, it is Python IDE. So we will be using Python IDE, and the Python IDE is installed with the part of the ArcGIS Pro, and you should be very careful in starting. So you should be very careful in starting Python IDE. In case of ArcGIS Pro and Arc desktop is installed in your PC. So in that case, there will be more than one version of Python will be present. So as an example, my first information, so the type of an idle that is available in the search bar at the Windows section. So now let me go to the section, Windows section, click the search option. So now let me enter as IDL. So now I have entered as the IDEL. So you can able to visualize here IDEL Python GUI. So let me click this. So now the Python show window has been opened. So you can be able to visualize the current version of the Python is 2.7.8. So we can able to visualize the current Python version is 2.7.8. So it is a kind of red flag. So because the Python for ArcGIS Pro, it works only for Python 3.0 version. So currently the Python version is 2.7.8. So the ArcGIS Pro will work only in the Python 3.3 version. So now let me close this. So now the most reliable way to use the current version of Python for ArcGIS Pro, it is go to the search this particular section, start section. So in the ArcGIS folder, you have to click this down arrow. So now we have to select the particular option called the Python command prompt. You have to select this particular file called Python command prompt that is available in ArcGIS folder. So now let me click this Python command prompt. So now to check for the current version of Python, we're gonna type as IDLE and enter. So now let me type that. So now you can able to visualize I have typed as an IDLE. So now click enter. So now a new window has been popped up, that is Python 3.7.10. So the current version of Python is 3. So the current version of Python is 3.7.10. So now I will try to import our ArcPython into the Python version of 3.7.10. So now let me enter as import ArcPython. So now click enter. So now you can able to visualize it is without giving an error with reference to this symbol. It has imported our ArcPython. So now let me close this. So the next time you want to need to open the command prompt, so you can just go to the search section and enter as the Python command prompt. So now you can visualize I have typed as a Python command prompt. So click this first result, Python command prompt. So now we are in the Python command prompt. Now enter as ID LE. Now click enter. So now we can able to visualize here. The current version of the Python is 3.7.10. So I have just shown you a slightly different way to open the Python window. So now let me close this. Let me close the Python this, and let me close the Python command prompt. So in this video I have shown you how to check the setup for ArcGIS Python using ArcGIS Pro in Windows. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.